Hey YouTube, we're going to take a look at the RV today. We're going to look at the leak in the roof, and we're also going to take a look at a ladder, the LA-401, that can be installed to the RV to make accessing the roof more convenient. Not sure how it's going to go, but bear with me. If you're interested in this kind of thing, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to keep up with this project, go ahead and hit the bell notification. Anyway, let's go take a look. All right, here's the ladder. This 401 model can supposedly connect to any trailer, regardless of whether or not the trailer is flat or if it has a contoured back. The back of mine is flat though, so I guess that really doesn't matter. And the roof leak is up there, and I think we're gonna have to put this pop out back in to get to it. So let's do that real quick. So this is the pop out area, and this is the switch. And so when I press in, there we go. All right, there it is. Did I mention that I'm terrified of heights and ladders? Probably more so while holding a phone. Now I need to move this over. I need to find my tripod. It might make it a little bit easier. All right, seems sturdy enough. We'll grab the drill, and hopefully I don't fall off and die. Well, no, that's not solid at all. Here we go again. Excuse the dodgy video. All right, seems a little more stable this time. Up we go. Woo. All right, so this is the top of the RV. It looks pretty decent in the other areas. But yeah, there's a few crushed pieces. I put that over there just to stop the rain from getting in. But this is the piece that's actually damaged. I don't know if it got hit by a tree or what. And so you have this layer on top. I think this is something that can just be re-rolled back onto here. Then it looks like there's some plywood. Doesn't quite look like a 1/4 inch, but it's, I don't know, maybe an 1/8. There's a metal piece here, and then there's some insulation right here. So I think I need to unscrew this, get this all bent back into place, because it still looks fine. Probably cut a piece of this out, put some new board here, and then just kind of patch it up, I guess. So yeah, hopefully that works out. I guess maybe a tree hit it or something. Now, in fact, if you look over here, definitely, I think that's where the ceiling is leaning down inside. So I guess we'll have to figure that out. Probably just jack it back up. Well, we'll see. As we dig into it, we're definitely going to find out what the problems are. So I think until I can get this repaired, I really need to just make it more waterproof than what it currently is. Because every time it rains, there's water running down these walls. So I'm just going to duct tape some plastic around this and give that a shot. Let's see. I cut a piece. Hopefully it's a good enough length. Yeah, I figure if I can just duct tape this over, it should be good. Let's give that a shot. I think that's pretty good. This is actual duct tape. It seems a little crappy though. I guess ducts aren't that sticky. All right, I want to take a look at this ladder. Let me show you where I'm thinking about putting it. I think I want to put it right on that right side of the back, just so I can jump up on the roof if I ever need to. All right, I have a knife. Let's take a look. The sound of the leaves out here make it sound like someone's creeping up on you, which could definitely be happening. Oh my God, this thing is really tough to get out of here. We'll go the other way. All right, I think that's everything. Yeah, there's nothing else in the box. Okay. So it comes with quite a few different pieces. These, these go against the wall to support the ladder in the middle. These pieces go on top, and then at the bottom, so you see there's two pieces here that join together. This piece is the bottom, and then this piece is what connects the bottom to the top. Oh my gosh. Okay. These are to allow the ladder to bend in the middle, I think. But my understanding is you have to cut this to get it to the right length. So let's take a quick look at the instructions. All right. Thank you for purchasing. Please read all of it. Determine the backing framing locations on the back wall or rear roof. Mark accordingly. This will help you determine the standoff placement later in the installation. Insert the two U-shaped ladder sections in the middle. Bolt them together, so that's the bit that bends. Keeping the middle straight ladder parallel with the back wall of your RV. Place the upright tubes. All right, this doesn't look too tough. So I guess let's give it a shot. There's the top. I think the key is just making sure that it actually bolts into something substantial and not just foam, because I don't think foam's going to support my weight. So, all right, let's take a look. I think before I can work on the back of the camper, I need to get rid of those little trees, and I have a pretty good tool for that. I think this will work. I think those ones have to go. Phew. This one's a little bit thicker. Okay. Yeah, all right. Still a stump in the way, but that's fine. We can at least get to it now. Okay, let's take a look. So I think that this has metal studs, and if I recall, you can use a magnet to find them. So we're going to try that, because I'd like to screw into the magnets. That's not into the magnets, into the metal studs where possible. And luckily I ordered a bunch of magnets for some other project that I never actually did. So let's go see if these can find the studs. Okay, we're back to the back. Let's see if this works. Nope. It's not sticking to anything. Maybe there's no studs. Well, that's awkward. Well, that was an abysmal failure. I don't know how to find the studs. Maybe a stud finder will work. I don't really know, but I definitely need to mount the ladder into something secure, and I need to go and buy some materials to fix the roof leak. I have a good idea on what I need to do. Now I've just got to get it done. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification if you want to keep up with this project. All right, thanks for watching.